These guys are top quality.
Yeah, I like this too.
Look out for Shags.co. It's on the way.
Hey guys, I'm Ben, founder of AI Techpacks, and today we have a little bit of a special work day for us, for me and my team. We actually have a customer coming in today all the way from Tennessee. His name is Judah. He actually made his tech pack all using the AI Techpack software. We're about to meet up with Judah. We're going to review the tech pack, and then we're going to actually go on a little field trip. We're going to go and visit some factories here in Los Angeles to find a perfect supplier to manufacture his product.
It automatically chose the.
It'll give you suggestions. It'll give you its reasonings and logic.
Will they change the PDF?
Once you click save, it will make all changes. So,
Really?
yeah.
Oh, dang.
We're at Pure/Stitchy/ALPL. This is Antonio, the man behind everything. He's one of our partners.
Come on in. I'm gonna check out his tech pack. We're basically gonna go through the tech pack, and I'm gonna recommend either different manufacturers, vendors, blanks, whatever I recommend to get this tech pack from idea to bring it to life. Other things, so they like specialize.
Like get the pattern and then draw on it, and then take the measurement.
Yeah, we could cross that part out though.
So it'll be something like this. They make everything.
All right, that pretty much wraps up the day. It's kind of a long day dealing with LA traffic.
No, I'm glad that we can do this in person. Got to go around all of SoCal. Like you said, not only did you understand now what you have to come prepared with, but you got to touch samples, fabrics, talk to the different manufacturers themselves. So that's really what Stitch is all about. We're trying to make merch as easy as possible, break all the barriers. You don't need to go to China, overseas shit. Right here in LA, brands get their shit done.
Yeah.